Laird Connectivity Sentrius MG100, BT510, and BT610 Cumulocity IoT Starter Kit is a fully integrated sensor solution complete with a gateway and long-range Bluetooth sensors. The Cumulocity IoT Starter Kit captures data from the included sensors and sends it to the cloud via a global low-power cellular connection. Powered by the Laird Connectivity Pinnacle 100 modem, the included Sentrius MG100 gateway is designed to work seamlessly with the software AG Cumulocity IoT platform. The BT510 is a multi-sensor, while the BT610 is an IO sensor, providing fast visibility and control over remote assets with no software development required. The Cumulocity IoT Starter Kit includes a fully functioning Cumulocity IoT implementation with a 60-day evaluation period to start a project without needing to integrate anything additional.